Myself Shomak Mukherjee and welcome to Gatividhi. I was recently reading an article one day that how the global manufacturing process has stopped due to a global disruption in supply chain. So much so that companies of US, Japan and Germany are contemplating in moving their manufacturing facilities out of China. This led to a curiosity in my mind that these companies might select India as their next favored destination, as India is seen as a global counterweight to China. But a closer look revealed that countries like Vietnam, Malaysia and Thailand are ahead in the curve. So why is India not topping the list? What are the roadblocks that needs to be addressed in order to fix this problem? Let us look at the 4 perspectives that needs to be improved to make India a favored manufacturing hub. Number 1. Politics. A politically stable environment leads to better synchronization between central, states and local government levels, which is found missing in India. Bureaucracy and extortion rackets are so deeply rooted in the society that this creates a bad atmosphere for investing and ultimately leads to low quality of manufacturing. Number 2. Economic environment. The government needs to create a conducive environment of economics through its economic policies in order to promote MSMEs. MSMEs are vital for the country's economic development. In the current situation, in spite of accounting for 45% of total manufacturing output and 40% of total exports, they only contribute to 8% of the total GDP. MSMEs provide the basic building blocks for supply chain development in our country, which ultimately helps the big corporates to work efficiently, alongside proper infrastructural requirements such as roads, highways and seaports. Quite often these projects face time and cost overruns due to complex and stringent labor laws and complex land acquisition processes. This entire vicious cycle needs to stop. We've had enough. Number 3. Social. There are a lot of insecurities and social stigmas related to FDIs and other investment routes that often create doubts in the minds of investors. For example, a product manufactured by a Chinese or a Taiwanese manufacturer might not be received well in the market as compared to their Japanese or American counterparts. This generally happens due to a perception of low quality. With more and more companies adapting the ISO, these perceptions are often untrue and biased. Though this is changing in certain areas like smartphone manufacturing, there is still a long way to go. Also, there is a lack of respect for entrepreneurs in this country as compared to that of doctors, engineers and lawyers. This is often discouraging. Number 4. Technology. India spends about 0.7% of its GDP in R&D, which is much lesser than that of countries like US, China, South Korea, Malaysia and Israel. Greater importance to R&D must be given in order to encourage domestic manufacturing and innovation. The current education system should be revamped as per the modern industrial requirements so that the manpower can be easily assimilated in the system with minimal training because they will already have the necessary skills required. With over 50% of the population falling under 30 years of age, India has the potential to be the next manufacturing hub of the world if we take care of these 4 aspects. But this has to happen now as we speak, otherwise this opportunity will be lost. Do let us know about your views in the comment section below. Stay subscribed to Gatividhi and follow for latest updates by clicking the bell icon.